was a secret croissant that Billy played and it pleased Jimbo, but you don't really care for croissants, do ya? You eat like this, the fourth, the fifth. Mine a French fry, the major croissant, a barefoot Billy composing croissant, 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 croissant. A croissant was good, but you needed evidence. Saw the croissant on the plate. Croissant in the sunlight was cool. Jimbo stole your croissant from the chair. He stole your cheese and took the butter from your plate. He took the croissant. Croissant, 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 croissant. Maybe I know this croissant before. Know this plate, I know this chair. I used to collect croissants before I knew him. I've seen your croissant on the roof. Croissant collecting's not a hobby. Difficult and unpleasant. Croissant, 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 croissant. There was a time the croissant was on the shelf over there. You let me know what's happening with Jimbo. Now you'll never find the croissant. Remember when Jimbo used the plate, carve it into a horse like a slate, I think. And every croissant, 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 croissant. Maybe there's a croissant. All I ever learned from Jimbo was how to beat someone collecting with croissant. It's not some kind of croissant, you see. There was a croissant eating cheese. There's a broken cold croissant. Microwave the croissant. Microwave the croissant. Microwave the croissant. 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 Hey, leave a like and subscribe or something. It gives me absolutely no money. And if you don't, nothing will happen. This is just Carl Wheezer Productions. And thank you to that guy who made the Luigi's Mansion song for inspiration for the outro song.